All right, today's a kind of short video, but it's a large topic. I want to talk about injury and how to prevent injury in the beginning, and if you get injury, what to do and how to recover yourself. Not just to wait for the last moment, and or just wait in general and think it's going to be changes in your body and you're going to recover on your own, so your body going to recover. No, it's not in the sport. It's not going to work this way, and it's never was. So the thing is, in the beginning, we want to understand why it's happening, those injuries. Most of the people, they're not focusing on those mobility, stability exercise, strengthening, and balancing exercise. They start with the power. If we see that, if we put this triangle, you can see in the bottom, the strongest platform, and that layer, it's this mobility and stability. You have to check your body before, let's say, you go lift something. You have to check your shoulder if this is capable to do. Think about it. If you're not able to lift your hand up, if your shoulder is limited, now you apply more weight on it, it's going to be injured, right? It's going to be injured for your shoulder, for your spine, and that's what you have to do. Or same with the stability. If I'm not stable on my ankle, if my ankle is wobbling, I'm going to go, play powerful soccer. Someone's going to push you, someone's going to step on your foot, and it's become the injury. So you need to be really prepared your body, especially for some power exercise, power sports. Like American football, boxing, jiu-jitsu. I see a lot of people go do jiu-jitsu, and they have poor mobility with the hips, poor mobility with the shoulders, and they get injury all the time. And the most mistake, they just wait like certain time. Like let's say, okay, my shoulder in pain. I wait for the 1 month. Now my shoulder is not in pain, so I can go and load it. So my shoulder is healed. No, it's not. That's the wrong way to recover. You have to slowly prove to this guy right in here you're capable to do those movements again, and he will release that. Why? Because the brain, it's a primal function of the brain is protect you from everything, not just from pain, from some trauma, from everything, from emotional stress, from everything. And the brain, of course, is smart. So you need to prove that guy, I can capable to do that. So most people, they do opposite way. They start from powerful exercise. They never think about mobility. They never think about strength. They all do. They just go to the gym, do the squats, deadlifts, without checking the capability of your body. They just like, okay, I'm probably gonna help. I'm gonna do it no matter what. And you do it, you have a big chance to get trauma and injury, and that's not good. So if for some reason you don't know that, you don't know how to get strength, how to get there, if you don't have money for professional like a coach or therapist or physical therapist, what you need to do is follow this. Always check your stability, mobility, and check your strength. And after, of course, go for those powerful exercises, which is the peak of this pyramid, of this triangle. Next one, if you get injury, you need to go that baby recovery. What's that mean? When the baby was born, you need to, baby always can lay down on the back. So all your exercise have to be on your back, without any gravity, without putting it on the spine, without putting it on your legs or shoulders. If you're capable to do all exercise on the floor without any pain, without any limitation, what you're gonna do, you're gonna start doing rolling exercise to see roll from left to right, right to left, upper body, lower body. And if you prove your brain you're capable to do exercise on your back, you roll without pain, guess what? You can flip on your belly, do those exercise on your belly. After, you can start do half kneeling or crawling exercise, so you add your arms, your legs. And after, if you prove all those steps, guess what? You get up and you do those powerful exercise with the weights, whatever you guys do, sport. If not, if you just wait time, go back to gym and you're just like, okay, let's do this exercise. It's gonna be another injury, and it's many athletes come with the same injury over and over and over and over again. And guess what? Like if you injure that shoulder 4 or 5 times, there's gonna be so many scar tissue. You're not capable to do anything with the shoulder. It's over. It's done. And a lot of people wait to the last moment. To not wait to the moment, find a specialist in your area, functional movement screening people, capacity people, any people with this knowledge can help you out. Do some postural assessment, postural like a diagnosis, radial motions, functional movements, and after get you to those powerful exercise. And that's how you become elite athletes. That's how people start make million dollars, because they follow those steps. They know what they're doing. And now you probably know too. Now you have to make the first step for this progress and success in your sport, in your training. All right, thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video is going to help you to understand how to not get in this miserable place called injury and trauma. Thanks for watching.